That's a good video, Joanne. The turtle in front looks like dead.
So what are you doing?
Let's go to
Alright, go ahead. Give me a second. Oh look at that turtle, it's going in.
Do you want to go in there with him, Jenny? You can go around all the way over there, this way, and then go around with. Go with Jenny, baby. Go with Auntie Jenny.
I'll go with you. You can go around here.
No, this way, this way.
The other turtle was like, are you done? What the?
It's been 4 minutes.
Feels like 20 minutes. What the? It's like never ending. Oh, there are turtles.
It's true.
that turtle's wants to move away.
So are you done yet?
It's been going on for hours.